So, what happens when we need to change things? If there's one thing I can tell you about architecture, it's that change happens. Let's continue developing the house from the last tutorial, and I'll show you how. My name is Jesse Dom. I'm a practicing BIM manager teaching Revit for free. Let's dive in. So at the moment, our house doesn't exactly address the street very well, and we want a more comfortable living space at the front. So let's grab all of this and zoom in, and we're going to grab that column as well. And then let's move everything up by 2000. Great. What I can tell you is the rest of the floor underneath here needs to be updated as well. If we go back to 3D, our roof hasn't moved with it either. Now you could have gone into the sketch and locked those offsets so that it stays consistent, but I want to do something a little bit different. With this floor selected, I'm going to go Control Tab, which brings me back into this view, and I'm going to click Edit Boundary. Now I'm into the sketch mode, and if I turn off thick lines, then I can see exactly where this is going to go. I can move this down by 2000, and that'll put it exactly right on top of the grid line like we had before. Click to finish, and that's looking great. Now the roof we do want to update. Let's Control Tab back to here. With it selected, hit Edit Footprint. I can move you by 2000. And I want to copy this line. And I want to copy this line from here over to, and straight over to that line. Now I can use the trim command, TR, to clip all of these around. Hit escape twice, and that's looking good. Let's go back to 3D. And now our house is starting to take a little bit better shape. Control Tab to get back to here. Now I do want to extend the length of these grids so that they're still coming out the end here. All right, let's modify the inside of the house. Let's grab everything in the kitchen, including this wall and that, and let's move this down by, I want to say 1310. And now click on this and let's mirror this just a rough amount, because what we'll do is we'll use our temporary dimensions here to make that 1200. And those lines worked out really well. Let's use the trim command to connect these two walls. Hit escape twice, and I will copy this wall and move it over. Let's go 750 to start with. Hit escape twice, drag that end down to here, and we'll grab a closet door. Hit create similar and put it into there. Hit escape twice, click 910, and it's better. It's not ideal, but it'll work. This is sitting fairly well inside there, but what we want to make sure is that our interior space here is 750. Perfect. Now we've got a nice little pantry in the back corner. We've got a space for a laundry. That's why we went 750. You could go 800. It's probably a little bit better. Let's draw a dimension in between our cabinet faces and the center line of this door. Make sure that you don't accidentally click another line. Click equals so that our door is exactly 500 millimeters in between. We can delete that now. Now let's delete this and this. Our floor is left over from before, so we do want to update that. Let's select all of those lines, click delete, and hit TR and close that one. And now let's draw the rest of these lines. I do not like how many reference planes these lines have, which is why I'm able to accidentally grab all these different spaces. I wouldn't model them that way. Now if I go to finish this and I haven't actually finished tidying everything up, I can hit the tick box, but these are going to show up as orange lines. This is saying that I haven't finished the loop of the lines. So hit continue and hit TR, clean those ones up, hit the checkbox. Notice that I'm missing yet more. Trim this one and that should be good. Excellent. Now let's select everything in the living room and let's just drag it over this way. Move the dining room into this space and clean this up. I'm gonna copy that. Let's just mirror it and turn off the copy and mirrored. That we can copy over to here. Not a great layout, but it gets the point across. You can fit a fair bit in here. Let's move this window over to the middle. I'm going to draw a detail line and find that triangle, move that over, grab the middle point of that, and move it to there. Delete that. This is working. Thanks for following. Please subscribe to be able to follow along with the rest of the development of this house. Bye now.